One phrase I come back to often is this: we're only as sick as our secrets. When kids hide things, whether it's breaking curfew or watching something they shouldn't, what keeps them stuck is the shame. Shame grows in the dark, but healing happens in the light. That's why I recommend this simple but powerful tool. Ask, is that everything I need to know? Now, guys, this isn't a trap, right? It's an invitation. It says, I can handle the truth. You're safe with me. This doesn't end our relationship. It actually builds it. You're offering mercy, not just monitoring. And while there may still be consequences, the focus is on restoration, not retribution. All right, now let me give you a practical conflict toolkit. These are your sideline coach tools. Are you ready? Number 1, pause and breathe. Don't react, regulate. I know some of you are saying, wow, I needed that really deep insight. It's important, guys. Use connection language. I love you. I want to understand what happened, right? Number 3, offer the second chance. Is that everything I need to know? Let that question become a rhythm in your home, a steady offer of light. When your child realizes that confession isn't a trap, but a bridge to bringing back to closeness, something powerful happens. They learn to be honest even when it's hard. They learn to trust you with their whole self, not just their curated version. Sound familiar? Social media.